Hey, what is up guys? This is 3MT Reviews and welcome to a quick tip video where we learn how to hide the notch on the Nokia 6.1 Plus. When the phone was initially launched, it came with the ability to hide that notch in the display settings, but this was taken away after an OTA update. Now with Android Pie, you can once again hide the notch, though it's hidden deep in the settings. So let's see how to do that. Okay, so before we begin, let me show you that you need to be on Android Pie on Nokia 6.1 Plus for this trick to work. Now in settings, go to system and look for developer option. If you can't see it, go to about phone and then to build number and tap it a few times. This will bring up the developer options. In developer options, scroll down to full bezel option. Enable this and the notch is hidden. I think I'll leave it on. As simple as that, and you're back to a notchless phone. But before you go, if you like this video, do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon.